In this video, I'm going to discuss the withdrawal process from Bfrop Trader. You can find Bfrop Trader by going to your Google Play Store App Store and then searching for them. As you can see, the developer says it's only Pure Play Studios LLC. So this is the Bprop Traders, and this is actually an application associated with this that puts everything at your fingertips with seamless access to key features. Now, this is for support and education and trading platforms. So as you can see right here, you can't directly withdraw real money from Bprop Trader because it's only a simulated platform or demo platform for educational purposes. It's not a broker, so withdrawals refer to redeeming in-app rewards, not financial profits. You can check the app rules for reward redemption, but please understand that this is only for educational process that you want for this, and it's not actually generating money for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.